Alright, how's it going, guys? It's your boy NYC Will Noon, and I'm gonna bring you guys a quick video for all my up and coming content creators on how to make money. Alright? So the number one thing that I always see people doing is going on Instagram and posting their best content on Instagram and expecting to get paid, right? I don't know if you guys are aware. Some of you guys might be aware, some of you guys might not be aware. Instagram hasn't been paying since like 2020, like all jokes aside. So you posting all of those videos on Instagram is for clout and for fun. Somebody had to say it, I guess it's me. Now, if you want to make money, I don't know why you guys aren't on YouTube, like posting on YouTube. Like, I see a lot of content creators go on YouTube for advice, but then when I ask them, like, all right, do you have your own YouTube channel? They tell me no. And I'm like, that's odd. So you just take advice from people and apply all of that to Instagram. That's insanity to me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not here to judge. I'm here to help, I'm not gonna lie. So instead of putting all those videos on Instagram, I suggest you guys start off even with just shorts right now. Posting shorts on YouTube, like little snippets of the videos that you have on Instagram. Because another thing I see too, right? And this is just to help out the people, you know, however I can. I see a lot of you guys have like 2-minute, 3-minute videos on Instagram. Stop doing that. That's part of the problem. Stop trying to think that you have to shoot a Netflix special to, you know, make a good video. Sometimes less is more. And I'm giving you guys real knowledge. Like if you go on my YouTube channel right now, look through all of my shorts, you find a video that's 3 minutes on there. And I promise you, I'll delete it right now. I will go delete that shit right now if you find a 3-minute video on my channel. Like, I promise. Basically, you know, that's part of it. Like, people make long videos during this time frame now where everyone has a shorter attention span. So I don't know who you're making videos for, but it's not for the people on these platforms. If you're making 3-minute long videos, like, unless you're on YouTube long videos, making a long video, I don't see why your video's 3 minutes or more. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. Like, especially for Instagram, the platform that Instagram is. Like, if you're not even shooting like an actual movie or like a snippet to a movie or something, it doesn't make sense. I'm sorry. And I'm not here, like I said, to judge. I'm here to help. So some of you guys might be saying, oh yeah, I don't know what this guy's talking about. I drop 3-minute videos all the time and they get a lot of views. You probably get those good videos with good collabs and good paid for promo and Instagram ads and all that good stuff, and you forced yourself to get the views on that, and I'm proud of you. I'm glad. For all of you out here who might be more like me, who doesn't want to do all of that extra, doing way too much to force people to watch my stuff, yeah, I need you to pay attention to what I'm about to say, because you're more like me, then yeah, this is for you. But basically, there's a better way to life, where you can start posting stuff that naturally draws people to your content, and it organically gains views on its own. And that's posting shorter videos. Now, for everybody that has like Instagram clout and wants to figure out how to turn that clout into money, it's going to be very difficult, I'll be honest, because YouTube and most platforms now, to be honest, I'm not even going to say just YouTube, because all of these platforms are doing it, right? If you're trying to bring people to another platform, they're going to make it harder for you. So like, if you post on Instagram, for example, in your stories, like, hey, go watch my YouTube videos or go check out my YouTube channel, those stories are going to get way less views than a story that's like, hey, go check out this Instagram post. Go comment on this Instagram post. Instagram sees those things, and I know for sure. I've witnessed it and watched videos on it, so I know other people go through it too. These platforms are petty. It just is what it is. Like, you know, they're petty. So they want to make sure that they keep people on their platform. So if you want to start your YouTube, there are ways to still build it using other platforms, not going to lie. Now, like I said, they make it harder, but not impossible. So like Facebook groups is one of the ways you can promote your YouTube videos. One of the ways that I use to promote my YouTube videos is Twitter. You know? It's a rare thing. You just post on Twitter and random people just randomly come check out your video from Twitter. And a lot of those people actually comment too. So I don't mind using Twitter. Fuck it. But back to the point. Focus your energy on YouTube. Start off posting shorts. If you don't have no long video ideas, you don't need a long video yet. It's not your time. Chill out. Stay in your lane. Now, when you get to the ideas stage of like, okay, what long video can I provide to bring value to help people? That's when I feel like you should start cooking up long form videos. But in the meantime, throw up them shorts, you heard? You never know what a short could hit for. One short you might think is stupid to you might get 9 million views, might get 10 million views, might get 20 million views, might even get 1 million views only. But hey, 1 million views, that's fire. Like, you know? So start posting shorts and just keep on posting shorts and trying different things. Now, one free advice that I'm going to give you guys that I follow myself. You see that a short that you posted, right? It's telling you like, hey, 20% people decide to stay. Like, it's not doing good. Take that shit off. Take it down, delete it, get rid of it. It's hurting you. Like, think of everything that you have on your page as like a part of your portfolio. You might have really great things and a few things that are horrible. Those horrible things, even though you might think like, okay, these great ones overshine that one by far, those bad things still hurt your channel. So I promise, anything with really low engagement, like bad likes, low comments, you don't want to keep those things on there. That's how you start to build your algorithm and train your algorithm. You have to actually, like, you know, post videos that are like high quality. And even if it's like a throwaway video from your phone, it might not be high quality, but it's something that people actually like. You can find those things by just seeing the reactions you get. So every time you post a video, if people go, okay, a lot of comments happen on that video and a lot of likes happen on that type of video, post more of that type of video. If you see on certain types of videos, you never get likes or comments, no matter how many different types of versions of that video you post, don't post that shit anymore. Just stop. Please. You're hurting yourself. You're hurting the algorithm. You're hurting me. Please, don't do it. Like, when you guys start to learn that it's very easy to, like, run this social media stuff and make money off of it, I promise you the addiction is going to be cool. Like, you guys are going to be like, all right, I get it. Now I see why some of these content creators are, like, living their best life. Because it does make sense. Like, you can actually escape the matrix from this content creator life. But you have to do it the right way. And I'm here to help you. So make sure you drop a like, you drop a subscribe. I'm going to definitely be dropping more valuable content throughout time. And, you know, we're going to be here to grow together. And also, in the link below, check out my Discord. I just made a new Discord. So basically, for all upcoming content creators, if you have like videos you need reviewed, if you need help with like making logos or thumbnails or anything of that sort, join my Discord below. I promise you. I'm helping out all the content creators that join my group, and we're going to take over, you know? Let's do it. So, it's your boy NYC Will Noon. Get into it.